Hi there, hi boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, almost weekend, January the 28th, 2022. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars, the 2 puzzles left, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary, yes. The binary puzzle number 4046. And what kind of binary? Oh. Apologies. Bumped the camera. The tripod is not so good. Let me focus. Yeah. Come on. Tripod. Yes. Alright. Number 4046. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. If I place a number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be no. This should be a 1. Okay. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now. Now it will be difficult. I think we need to compare. Yeah. Need to compare. Okay, so we have 1, 2 rows and 1 column. Well, the column I cannot compare. Double one we have here. So to be the rows, double one or double O, it will start. Well, double O here. Yeah. Well, this will be difficult. Need one more. 1, 1, O. Well, 1, 2, 3. If I compare with the first row and this row, these digits are the same. Well, I cannot place the 4th O here, otherwise we will have the same identical row. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Alright, between two ones comes an O. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Yeah. 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 Well, this row and that row, almost the same. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 0, 0, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. With O here, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Yeah. Double 1. Ooh. This one is almost the same also. Yeah. Almost the same. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Okay. So now I can compare now. 111111 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. With O here, this should be a 1. With 1 here, this should be an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Okay, the last two rows or columns. This column and that column. Yeah. Empty box. 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Empty box. Need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 8 minutes. Wow, this one, tough one. Very tough one. Yes, and I like this one. Yes, really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.